Powermatic is proud to partner with Master Shipwright Lou Sauzedde, a legend in traditional wooden boat building. For nearly 6 decades, Lou's craftsmanship, precision, and no-nonsense style have inspired woodworkers around the world.
Powermatic has seen my equipment out in the floor out there, and they thought that was pretty cool, and we got in touch with each other, and they're my new sponsor, and I'm just so thankful, I can't tell you.
We're teaming up with Lou to rebuild the iconic Orca, the boat made famous in Jaws, in honor of the film's 50th anniversary. He'll share time-honored techniques to help you elevate your craft, learn from a master, and see how Powermatic machinery brings this cinematic legend back to life.